welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve another VulnHub machine called PwnLab. This is the official page of PwnLab. You can see it here, PwnLab in it, and you can also see the description here. We are going to see the PwnLab description here, and the file name is .ova. Our goal is to find root flag.txt. I've already downloaded the machine and prepared the environment, so all we need to do is to begin our work. Yes, this is our Kali Linux, and I just scanned the environment here. This is the IP address of the machine. Let's take a note, and let's use nmap, tag sc, tag sv, the IP address here, tag p, tag on, or we can just use this for now and call it nmap.out, and let the site begins. Here at the same time we can find that there's a web page available here on PwnLab, and this is the result of nmap here. We have port 80 on Apache, 2.4.10, 111 RPC bind, 3306 for MySQL, and that's it. So we have no SSH here. We have to find a way to actually use reverse shell to connect to our machine. So I think we should do something with this side. Logging, upload. Let's see the page source here. Nothing interesting, but there's a parameter here, page logging, page upload. This is here, logging and upload. The page is with program language PHP on Debian system. We cannot upload any file. We should log into the site, and there's logging here. I use just admin to see if I can log into the site. No. Use admin or 1=1. Comment the rest of it just to see. No, nothing happens here. Double quote, tag code, 1=1. This is it. No, nothing happens here. But the parameter page is loading the logging. I think this is logging.php. Yes, that is. Upload.php. So this is quite interesting that the parameter page is loading pages or files based on the file name. Some kind of interesting parameter we can use for path traversal or something like that. And let's actually use it like here. We can see etc passwd here. No, nothing happens. I think we should just start pausing the website here. Tag w using root, word list, raft, medium directories. Tag u. This is here. We don't need this one here. We should pause section here, and I like to use something like find extensions .php, .rar, .zip, using .png, .jpg, .back, .backup, and something like that. We can start our fuzz here. Yes, this is what happens. Image logging config.php. That's quite interesting. Upload.php, upload. Let's see the image here. Image actually. Page, image. Yes, page loading. Different pages here, and this is just like that. You can find page. This is what happens. Anything interesting? No. For 3. Here we have config.php here. At the same time, I think we can use another vector which is called PHP wrapper for finding the actual source code behind these pages by converting those pages into base64 encoded. So PHP wrapper base64. Let's see if we find the syntax of using that. I'm just looking for the actual. Yes, that's it here. We need this one and PHP wrappers here. So if we look at this one, we can use something like that, resource logging. Yes, that works. So we just find the actual page source code that is loading the page behind login.php. We can use CyberShare to decode it. It's more obvious that we can do it in terminal too, but I prefer to have a cleaner screen here. Just copy, paste it here, and that's the code behind logging.php. I use VS Code for login. This is login.php here, and this is the code. It sessions starts requires config.php, so using yes, that's right, requires config.php. It has information about the database, I think. So more interesting one is config. That's it. You can paste it here. Yes, that's username, password, and database backend is using. So contents of config.php is here. There is username, password, and database. I like to take a note of that here too. And let's actually see all the sources for those pages. This is config, this is upload, there's upload here. Let's find what code is behind upload. Once we found all those codes, we can read them. Upload.php here, like this, and this is the code behind upload.php. Take a quick look at it. Yes, this line forces us to log into the website, else we die our session, and this is the message we get. $_ submit gets our files. Oh, this is whitelist. We can only upload files like JPG, JPEG, GIF, PNG, and nothing as whitelist is checked here. If we don't actually supply these extensions, we get this error, and that's it. If we come back to upload.php again, but let's find other pages. Home, which is index.php, I think. It should be index.php, yes. So I use index here and copy, paste, copy again. This is the page index.php, and this is the code behind index.php here. Index, logging, upload, and config here. Index is quite interesting. It has PHP. It's a dollar cookie. It includes lang. Okay, it's suspicious to actually it is. Doesn't have any control. Local file inclusion here, yes, and that's another include here. So but we cannot upload any file. We cannot upload any file unless we log into the website. So we have user and password for the database here. We can easily connect to MySQL remotely, because if we look here, can catch nmap.out, we have 3306 for MySQL here, and we just root tag h .1.107 and tag p. It asks for password, and this is the password we found from config.php here. Yes, we have logged on. Show databases here. Data. Show databases here. We have information, schema users. We use users. Show tables here, and we select star from users just like this. And yes, we found 3 users, Kent, Mike, and Kane from MySQL database. So I take a note of those 2, and password, if you look, they are base 64 encoded. So we exit from here, echo tag in. Let's decode these passwords from here and to base 64 tag D. This is the password for user. What user was it? Yes, this is Kent. Let's find the password of user Mike. This is the password of user Mike. Didn't copy it. What's happening here? I don't know. Just want to copy this line. Yes, that's it. And user Kane here. We can find the user Kane password from here too and copy it to our notepad here. So now we have 3 users and 3 passwords of them. We cannot SSH to the system because our nmap result here shows that we have no SSH open, but we can log into the site from here. I use user Kane, for example, to log into the website, and that's it. We can now upload our file here. Let's see the inspect here, and using storage we have PHP session ID from here, and we can upload the file. For uploading the file, we have the source code of this page. This is upload.php, and this is obvious and clear. It says that whitelist of the extensions allowed to be uploaded on the site is PNG, GIF, JPEG, and JPG. So we should actually provide these extensions to be allowed to upload the file. But we should, let me see here, file txt, whitelist.jpg.png. Yes, this is checking the extensions here, and MIME here, image info. So we have MIME here, and we should provide the appropriate MIME for the file we are going to upload. GIF is here, and if we're lucky, we can actually use GIF 89. I mean, by appending GIF 89 to a file, we can upload a successful GIF file, but actually it has PHP reverse shell in it. So let's use actually Kali Linux provided web shells for us. We have USR share web shells. Yes, this is web shells, and we have PHP here, and we need PHP reverse shell here. So PHP reverse shell from here, and we can just cp this file to our directory. That's it. And we need to use nano to edit this file, gif 89, and let's edit this file for an appropriate IPNM port. 192.168.1105. This is our Kali Linux machine from here. 4444, and that's it. I need to upload this file to the server, to the web application here. This is our file. From here we can see PHP reversal.php is here, and we should change the extension to .png, use .png, and that's it. We have a PNG file which has a PHP reverse shell in it, and we can call it shell.png. Let's see what happens if we upload this file. Shell.png, open, upload. We just successfully uploaded our file. Open image in new tab, and this is the hash of our file. The file is hashed, as we can see is MD5 base name, the file we upload, and source is uploaded file in a /upload directory. So this is the file, but we need to execute somehow this file. You just uploaded the file, but we need to execute content of it. I remember that in index.php here we have file inclusion in actually cookie lang, that is including the lang and whatever we pass to it. So let's try and test it with something like this. In cookies I just use lang, and the value must be, let's see, it includes anything like etc pass wd from here. Yes, this is file inclusion, an obvious POC, so I pick it up and use it here. We can see that user John, Kent, Kane are all here, and just change the directory here, upload PNG. I want this file to be executed. So upload and start a listener here to see if we get any luck having a reverse shell here. Yes, this is our reverse shell. We just successfully got our reverse shell with user --data, and we just immediately stabilize our shell from here. That's how we can do it. pty.spawn /bin bash, and just this, and of course we need to export term equals xterm, send it to the background, stdy-a, stdy raw-echo fg stdy rows. We just set this stdy exactly to the columns here, 173 rows and columns 173, 172, no problem, 173, and that's it. We are here. User --data, and let's see what's going on /home directory. John, Kane, Kent, and Mike all are here. We can just cat /etc cron tab. No, there's nothing here. Before going any further, we know that we have some users here. For example, user Kane. Let me just see Kane from here. Needs password, and we just simply provide this password here, and that's it. We are with user Kane. So cd Kane, we have MSG Mike, which has SUID for user Mike, and let's see what happens if we just MSG Mike, no such file directory /home Mike msg.txt. Okay, it just uses file in home Mike msg.txt. It says no such file. See the strings of MSG Mike. Go back here, and we can see from here set our system here, trh cat. Yes, that's it. It uses cat. It uses cat without absolute pass, so we can exploit this binary from here to become user Mike. So let's do that. This should be easy since we are in our home directory here, and we should just exploit this cat here. Where was it? This is cat, and we should choose our own and custom cat. We use echo bin bash, put it in cat echo /bin bash into cat, and of course chmod cat export. This is our current path. Yes, but we need to export it to be our current working directory. The bar now contains something like this, and if we use just simply MSG Mike, you should become user Mike. That's it, you are user Mike here. So let's bring back the path variable here, equals this string here, echo $path. Didn't work. Why? Oh, I used dollar for that. That's it, echo $path. So we are good to go. We are user Mike. So where are we? Let's go back to home directory of user Mike, and there's another binary here which has SUID, this time for user root. So we just message for root hi, says hi. Just repeat our input here, just echo it back to us. So let's see the strings of MSG to root and find if we see the kind of same exploit here. Strings MSG is actually using messages for root /bin echo. It's using echo binary, but it's using absolute pass. We cannot use the same technique we used for cat binary, because this time we have an absolute pass which executes the echo binary, so this technique is not usable here. But MSG to root some kind of interesting, because if you provide anything, for example, hello, it just says hello. It means it echoes back to us whatever we give it to it. So in the meantime, let's see 3.16 and Debian system etc stash release. We see here kernel links Debian, and let's forget it. Let's work on MSG to root. This is good. Just echoes back to us. So it uses binary /bin echo, as we see here, /bin echo, and it echoes back to us. So maybe we can just execute two commands here and have some kind of command injection here. But let's test that. Hi, and we use ID. Yes, that's it. It's command injection here. We see that user ID, effective GID of the root here, and we need to actually execute another command here. We can get a reversal, another reversal here, and become root. So this is quite interesting. Another thing we can use is using ls. Yes, that's running our command. So we just need to say hi and give us bash tag p. Yes, that's it. We are user root here, and we got the information we needed. So let's go to cd/root and get flag.txt. That's it. If you're reading this, means that you have break in PwnLab. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for your time doing this challenge. That was quite interesting that we saw from this user creating VulnHub PwnLab.init, and it used so many techniques. For example, if we have a binary which has absolute paths, we cannot use the technique for exploiting that path. Or if we use a binary like we saw earlier that used cat MSG to mic, I think that was MSG mic, yes. We just used cat because it didn't mention the cat binary with a full absolute path, and we just escalate our privileges twice and got root. I hope you enjoyed this machine, and I see you later. Goodbye.